In the next few minutes, I will show you how to create a personal looking website using Wix, step by step. So Wix is a website builder that lets you create a beautiful, fully functional website without any coding. So with this drag and drop editor, hundreds of customizable templates and built-in e-commerce tools, Wix is perfect for both beginners and pros. Here I have a free account here into Wix. You can have one in the link down below in the description, and you can go directly into your account and it must be ask you how to create an actual new site. So if you're a total beginner, let's get started. There's two ways how you can create an actual website. You can start with the new artificial intelligence, or we can set it up without the AI chat. Let's start without the chat so you know a little bit more about how to use the Wix and its basic features. So to get started, you have the links down below in the description. Once again, you create your account using an email as well as a passcode, and then you're going to be prompted with this situation. So what type of website do you want to create? So whether this is an online store, a portfolio, a blogging website, an event. For this example, let's try it out, a blog. Now you have a blog of life form, entertainment blog, dance blog, mentalist blog. So totally depending on you, let's say that we want to get started with the jazz blog, for example. Go for continue. And then it's going to be giving you the next, tell us about your jazz blog. So what is the name of your site? There are some business names. How would you describe your website in a few words or sentences? Just in case you don't know anything about this, you can try it out with Namelist. Now, Namelist is a place where you can create a business name generator. It can help you to generate a short name using artificial intelligence. For example, if I wanted to create a jazz blog, just enter here, jazz blog, blues, I don't know, use whatever words you want to do and hit now to generate. And it's going to be asking you want to advocate, real words, randomness, name styles, and whatever. So let's try it out with next. And business description, let's say that this is a website blog about jazz, music, community, and more. For example, the All That Jazz blog. I liked it. So we can use this to create an actual website. Why don't I describe this as simple as it is? And lastly, what are your goals for this site? The amazing part of the Wix is that you are available to do a lot of stuff and you can fill your goals. For example, you can get started by collecting donations, you can sell products, you can get booked online, you can create and share content, offer online courses, showcase creative work, sell memberships, sell plans, do whatever you want to. Let's say we want to enable only the create and share content. Then let's go for continue. And what else would I need to manage for this site? Usually I focused with advertising this into Google and go for finished. There we go. Now my dashboard should be preparing, my application are going to be filled depending on what is the actual stuff that I choose for my goals. And we are now inside the dashboard of the Wix. Once you are inside of the dashboard, you can see here, we can see into the left part our few elements to complete our website and to manage this website. Into this setup section, here are a few setup elements that we needed to complete in order to have an actual fully functional website. For example, update your blog type, connect a custom domain, write my first blog, design my website, and more. Let's go here into the left part once again and understand a little bit more about this. For example, here into the setup, once again, there are a few recommendations for the application. The home dashboard should be checking out the analytics of our website, the activity feed, and something about our email. Now into the getting paid, we can connect paid links, check out invoices, proposals, checkouts, and much more. I'm going to be using this today. You can see all the payment tools. And in this section, since I have created an actual website with blogs, I can here start my blogging elements and posts, and I can manage them and check more and more. Now here I have applications and I have the app market where I can check out and download more applications that can be helping me to make my website more efficiently and creative. Now here I have the site and the mobile application where I can see stuff about SEO, site speed, uptime, security. So to start my website, let's go back into this setup section. And into the right section here into the upper side, we have the design side. If I click into design side, it's going to be asking me to customize with a template or to generate a design with artificial intelligence. Let's try this out with a template, a much more faster way to get started with a blog. Since I already typed the word yes and blogged, it's going to be generating me a few results that I can use for my blogging. For example, this one, music blog, So choose one and go for view so you can check out how does the website looks, check out the animations, check out the images, check out all of this info. And if you liked it, you can go to the upper side and go for edit this side. Inside the edition of the site, you can see that here is the editor of Wix, where you can start editing your own website pages. Once we are inside the editor, into the left part we have the elements we can add. We can add sections, we can add here pages, we can check out my site designs. I can here check out the web's app market when I can download more applications. Now I do have my business information here, all my media, and lastly the CMS. We can easily manage my site content. Let's go and check out my website. I'm gonna hit here where it says Energy Flash, and I'm gonna change this for all that jazz. Now, if I wanted to change something here, for example, singles and views, albums, for example, into the upper side, I can download out here to manage my columns and change the background. Every time I select one of these fields, I can change it for something totally new or create some artificial intelligence images generated with the Photo Studio. For example, let's say a jazz band playing. Now that I have my Photo Studio added, you can see that here is going to be automatically added directly inside my image. If there is an element that you wanted or delete, just click into the category, and here into the right section where it says more actions, I can delete it and I will no longer see this section. If I wanted to add a new section, let's go here for add a section, and here I can go for AI generator. I have a welcome section and much more stuff. Let's just start with this one, a simple one. Into the dashboard, I can check out the blog section once again and start creating my own post. Even I can generate with artificial intelligence, for example, create a post with artificial intelligence. If I click that, I can see that here is the AI post creator. For example, describe the topic. Let's say jazz legends who changed the world. So I write this with artificial intelligence, word count, let's say that this amount, tone of voice, let's go for casual, 3 images, and if you want to add more references, for example, point of view, first person, second person, you can just do it. So now in this case, let's go for next, and the title, who's who in jazz, grooving through history, who's the coolest jazz legend, and we can write our own title, and I generate a post. There's a lot of tools that the artificial intelligence inside Wix can do for you, and just like that, I have my very first blog post here, and I can choose to publish it, and automatically it should be appearing inside my post section. Notice that if you are using the generation of text here into Wix, it's going to be really important to double check the results are not likely to be so accurate before using them. So make sure that you took all of this before you publish them. After you hit now into published, I can check out this in my stuff into my editor side. So I go to my editor once again. After you have previewed your website, you can go and hit into published. Not by first making sure that you check out your website into the mobile side. So you can check out how it actually looks into the mobile side, and if there's a thing or two that you need to change once you check them out. If you want to, you can connect a domain and to upgrade if you wanted to give a professional touch into your website. This lets you connect a custom domain, of course, remove some Wix ads, and there's more storage and advanced analytics. You can get started with course totally for free, but upgrading is a really great investment for your business. So consider trying to make sure that your website is now ready to go. So guys, with that being said, this is how we can actually get started with an actual website here inside the Wix.com. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how you can get started using the Wix and much more stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you can all see you next time.